Flowlens is user-friendly cloud manufacturing and service software aimed at SME equipment manufacturers and dealers. It standardizes disjointed and error-prone business processes to reduce wasted effort, transforming process efficiency, transparency and traceability. Integrated with Xero, QuickBooks Online, Cashflow or Sage 50, Flowlens enables a single source of information for the whole company. For businesses used to the confusion and inconsistency of multiple spreadsheets, paper and verbal processes, Flowlens is transformative. Flowlens becomes the master database for customer, supplier and parts data. The joined-up workflow gives an audit trail from quote, order confirmation, product assembly, shipping, and invoicing to the accounts software. Businesses and their accountants can rely on Flowlens' consistent, transparent processes and reporting. Dashboards provide information at your fingertips across the business. What's forecast for the future, what's currently happening, real-time stock levels, looking at the current period and flagging problems early.
Being more efficient and being able to do more. And for me, that is the most important thing. I want to be able to do more, I want to be able to sell more. So that's the key, really, with Flowlens. It's enabled us to just generally be more organised end to end.
For purchasing, MRP and stock management, Flowlens again enables process control and traceability from approving suppliers to purchase order controls goods received and invoice matching and approval. Job cards and reports provide clarity of work in progress, stock values and cost of goods sold for management accounts. And having part cost and bill of materials data in Flowlens minimises the risk of selling below margin. Many manufacturers overlook after-sales revenue streams, but Flowlens enables these with its inbuilt service module and serial number register, tracking history of servicing jobs and revenues. Flowlens offers a free trial period with expert help. Data imports and intuitive system settings accelerate the setup process, and for new customers we offer tailored onboarding and training services to help them get up and running quickly. With standard systems and processes in place, and no duplication of work across CRM, MRP, service and finance systems, businesses and their accountants can get a live feel of the business with fewer touchpoints. Visit flowlens.com today to start a trial, watch a detailed demo, or view our case studies.